See how I came up with this makeup look, please stay tuned and watch the video. So we're going to do a cut crease with jewels today. I'm going to do a soft but bold. Not even soft, it's going to be bold, of course. I like bold looks. So I'm going to go in with the brown for starters here. Now I'm going to take a lighter brown and hit it up here. Going back in with the brown to blend those colors in evenly. that cut crease is done. Going in with my first shade for the crease here. This is a shimmer eyeshadow. I was gonna do like an ombre look on them, but I think since I'm gonna use jewels, I am just going to use this one color. For my eyeshadow because it's very pretty. I don't want to do too much to overshadow the jewels. Black jewels. I have these jewels from Amazon. They came with a little thing, a little tweezers to go to stick the jewelry on. It came with glue for the jewels, and it also came with a small brush to use that with. So this is on Amazon, and I will link the product below. It was like $9.99, and it has a lot of different colors in here, as you can see. I think I'm going to use like the silver jewels or maybe the iridescent jewels. So I'm finishing up the jewels still. Going in with one more jewel to complete the look on each side. Okay, so I'm going in and blending out my foundation. Foundation is on. I do think I need a little more. Okay, so the face is set. I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I did a cut crease with jewels in this video. This is my first time ever using jewels, and it was fun to do. Like, I'm ready to make some more looks with these jewels, you guys. So it is a cut crease, a dark cut crease with some iridescent jewels, and it was very fun to do. I have a nude lip with this look today. Very neutral kind of, sort of, but not too neutral, just enough. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And leave a comment to let me know exactly what you thought of this video. Thank you so much for watching, where everything is done with love. My name is Heyy Love, and I'll see you on the next video.